Turn the bicycle upside down and remove the front wheel. To facilitate subsequent steps, remove the 2 screws securing the bottom cover and take off the bottom cover. Remove the 2 screws securing the battery through the 2 holes on the frame. After completely loosening the screws, use tweezers to remove them. Disconnect the battery connector. Pull the battery out of the frame. Install the new battery into the frame, ensuring the orientation of the battery holder. Align the screw holes on the battery holder with those on the frame by observing through the hole on the frame. Secure the new battery in place using the screws removed when dismantling the old battery. Connect the battery connector. Return the controller into the frame and organize all the cables neatly. Reattach the bottom cover and tighten the screws to complete the replacement of the new battery.